This is a case, right? Obviously, this is a great case. Everything's located in it. Okay, I'm not sure if you've had this experience yet or not, but it just happened to me. Tell me if this sounds familiar. I get a phone call. My beautiful daughter who's moved out, got her own apartment. She's like, oh, I got a new kitty. Come see it. They suck you in. You go to see that little kitty cat. And what happens? You arrive and there are 2 boxes of junky furniture that they have bought and they need me to assemble. It happened to me in college. It now happens to me when they're living on their own, and I've kind of had enough. So Fanttik had reached out to me. They said, we wanted you to review this toolkit. I was like, I know what I'm doing with that toolkit. This is going to be a phenomenal gift for my daughter so I don't get invited to go over and work with terrible screwdrivers. Let me just open it up, show it to you. Let me see if everything you need to give to your daughter, son, whoever just moved out, starting their own life. Maybe you're starting your own life and you need a basic set of tools. This is a case, right? Obviously, this is a great case. Everything's located in it. You could carry it to wherever you need to do your repairs. But not only is it a case, you could either mount this on the wall with some double-sided tape, stick a couple screws in it, or just keep it on the ground like that. Either way, whatever you want. But this is just such a nice, pops in there too, right? So that's the case if you're gonna walk around with it, and then you just hit that, pops out, and you're ready to go to work. So, okay, so here we have razor blade. This is actually what one would call a box cutter, which is great for about 50,000 different things. Good to have in there. So I will say, we're talking about things, in all fairness, that may be a little bit of a weakness. This is all purely imperial. There is no metric option. Now I will say, for most situations this works. Here is a measuring tape. This is a nice quality measuring tape. The bane of us mechanical people's existence, crescent wrenches like this just destroy stuff, but universally adjustable and it'll get you through in a pinch. So I'm gonna say it's good that this is in the kit. Ooh, this is a cool looking hammer. Check out this hammer. Wow, that is really pretty darn neat. I gotta say, that is a cool looking piece. It's really a multi-tool, right? It has all the functioning of a needle nose plier, but it definitely has strippers for wires, as well as a little bit of adjustable wrench kind of effect. And then, so I have one of these myself, so I can tell you this is phenomenal. This is obviously an electric screwdriver. You have options of off, slow, medium, high speed, which is really all you need. I have Fanttik drivers and they are phenomenal, really reliable, really good. The charge lasts a wildly long time. Included with the driver of all the basics you need, you get some Phillips heads, some Allens, some regular straight, and one Torx head. And then the last thing that's in here that I want to show you is an extender. Obviously, you put other bits in there as well. As the dad who gets called in to fix everything all the time with the crappy tools at the kid's house, genuinely excited to give this to my daughter. This is so cool for what it is. Well, actually, if you're interested in this, helps the channel out a little bit. There's a link right there, or worst case, it's down in the description. If you would go use that while you're down there, like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment. What's your horror story? Mine is, I showed up for the cat visit and I got a little junky screwdriver and 2 pieces of furniture that I had to put together with it. That was my big call to action for this. What was yours? Let us know. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.